Hey friends, I wanted to talk to you about what you're going to be working on today in reading workshop. Two words that you may have heard before are plot and theme. So first we're going to talk about the difference between those two. The plot of a story is what happens in a story. It's the events that occur throughout the story. And then the theme goes beyond that. The theme is a big idea. The theme is something that you actually have to infer. You definitely use what happens in the story to help you come up with a theme, but the theme is not something the author comes out and tells you. So, for example, if we think about the story that we read, Each Kindness, and actually you've heard that story more than once this school year. Each Kindness, if we were to talk about the plot, that would involve Chloe and Maya and how Maya was the new girl, and Chloe and her friends excluded Maya, and eventually Maya didn't come back, and Chloe feels regret at the end of the story because she wishes that she could have been kind to Maya. So those are the important events that happened in the story. Now, if we think beyond that, we can ask ourselves, what do we think this story is teaching me, or why do I think the author wrote this story? And kind of think of the big idea of that story, Each Kindness. And you might think of things like accepting others, or the importance of kindness, or even something like everything counts. We even talked a little bit about that, and Chloe feels regret, and we talk about how every little thing counts. Even if it's a good thing or a bad thing, you never know the little things that you do, how that can affect somebody. So those are bigger ideas about that story. So today you're going to be hearing a story called Red, a Crayon Story, and you might be familiar with it. But one of the things I want you to think about as you're listening to this story is, what is the theme, or what is the big idea in this story? And again, you're going to use the plot or the events that happen within the story to help you come up with that theme. So that big idea.